Good brood. A lot of honey going in on this frame. It's heavy. A lot of brood honey. Well, that's a lot of honey, a lot of brood. Looking pretty good. That is a full brood frame of honey they've been putting together here. Pretty nice. Almost a full frame of capped honey. Some more full frames of honey. Not putting the super on. Completely full frame of honey. Good brood, some honey coming in, fresh comb. Same thing on the other side. Full frame of brood. This is the original cutout comb. Today I'm going to try this thing called checkerboarding, where I mix up the honey super pretty much full frames with some empty frames, see if it increases the yield.